Welcome to the Spatial Understanding tutorial for the Code Reality Advanced AR course. Today we're going to work with solvers from the Mixed Reality Toolkit. Solvers are useful when placing or tracking objects around the scene. That can be relative to the spatial mapping mesh, it can be the camera position, and with the HoloLens 2, various parts of the hand position. So you can take lots of joints and define object movement and placement relative to that. We're going to go through a few examples that use these solvers, and I'll try and show you which properties are useful, which ones are a bit tricky to work with. I'm assuming you have a pretty good knowledge of the Unity interface and that you know your way around game objects and components. Hopefully you'll find this tutorial useful, and you'll find a way to build it into your project so you can speed things up. You can find the Unity package containing all of the code and prefabs that I describe on the course platform, and this tutorial also exists in a document form if you prefer to read it. So without further ado, we'll get on to describing what are solvers and how you can use them, and then we'll get into Unity.